Welcome! In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to find your WhatsApp number on the Instagram app while using your PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier to display and access your connected contact details. And WhatsApp is one of the most common ones people add to their profiles. So, if you're unsure where to look or how to find it, just follow along and you'll have it figured out in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this through the desktop version if you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, head straight to the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Click on that to open up your personal profile page. After tapping on your profile picture, the page will refresh and bring you to your full profile. Right in the middle section of the screen, you'll see your bio. This is where Instagram places your written description, any links you've added, and also the WhatsApp number that's connected to your account. If you've already set up your WhatsApp number in Instagram settings, it will appear directly under your bio. This makes it easy for others to contact you, and of course, it's also the quickest way for you to double-check which number is currently linked. If you don't see it immediately, it's possible that your WhatsApp hasn't been added yet, and you may want to go into your account settings to connect it. That's all it takes. Open the app, tap your profile picture at the bottom right, and view your bio in the middle of the page. Within just a few seconds, you can confirm your WhatsApp number and make sure it's displayed the way you want. So, whether you're updating your profile, checking your contact info, or just making sure your number is linked properly, these quick steps will help you find it right away. Thanks for watching.